سلام، توی این ویدیو میخوایم بخش ریدینگ از درس 9 از کتاب 4000 لغت ضروری انگلیسی جلد 1 رو با هم بررسی بکنیم. عنوان متن هست Service Animals که تو صفحه 60 کتاب میتونید پیداش بکنید. و طبق معمول من انگلیسی هاشو نوشتم، معنی فارسی نوشتم و زیرنویسی که میبینید برای اصطلاحات پرکاربرد و مهمش هست. با دقت گوش بدید و نگاه بکنید. Have you ever seen a blind person on the bus with a dog? This dog is most likely a service animal. A service animal is an animal that is trained to do things for people who cannot do them alone because of a disability. Dogs are most usually used as service animals because they are intelligent animals. They also have a good sense of smell and can sense dangerous situations. When they are close to their owners, dogs will do anything to keep them safe. Service dogs are sometimes called guide dogs or hearing dogs. These dogs can help people who cannot see or hear. They are trained to open and close a door, push a button, and listen to a command. These dogs can also help people who have a hurt leg and need to use a wheelchair to get around. Service dogs are strong and can even pull wheelchairs. If these people ever need medical attention, the dogs are trained to bark and get help. Dogs can also be used as therapy dogs. Therapy dogs may visit a school or hospital to help people who are feeling lonely or anxious. Their bad feelings can create health problems. Therapy dogs can provide kindness and love to improve a person's mood, which can then improve that person's health. Although dogs are the most common service animals, there are other animals that can be trained to be service animals as well. You might see a cat, a rabbit, or a horse that is used as a service animal. These animals can keep a person company and become a good friend. Many people depend on service animals for help. Service animals can do jobs that people cannot do alone, and they can help improve the health of people by making them feel happy. خب اینم از بخش ریدینگ. امیدوارم که پسندیده باشید. اگر نظری داشتید از بخش ارتباط با ادمین حتما با هم در میون بذارید. ممنون. تا ویدیوی بعدی، خدا نگهدار.